Hi, buddy. Are you looking at your sister? What do you call that?
After Daniel's looking at it. See? Say cheese. Say cheese, Mommy. Say cheese, David. Hi, David.
Mister, I got my first tooth.
David's got. Look, David's not looking at the picture.
I know. Daniel sits up over there all by himself in his big boppy.
And he can look at himself. He can. Look, Daniel can look at himself.
He's smiling at you.
Say cheese, Daniel. Look, Daniel's saying cheese.
He's a smiley man.
Say cheese, Mommy. Say cheese,
She's
Mommy.
a tired mommy.
Let's take a picture on her.
Who's your silly David?
Dave, that's David.
He's a silly David.
Look at you, Daniel. You look smiling. Let's take Daniel's picture. See, look, Daniel's.
What is that, little guy?
A coffin!
Big smiles from the little man.
Hi, David.
All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
And we got Izzy Nene, their big sister. Are you a good big sister?
Yeah.
Do you play good with the two boys?
Mhm.
Do you pick your nose a lot?
Uh-huh.